why msat mapa Winky D? Doing my business. Why msat mapa Winky D? It keeps popping up. Why msat mapa Winky D?
He's loyal to the opposition, and he seems to be very close to what's the opposition guy's name? The
Chamisa?
Yeah, Chamisa. Yes, Chamisa. I forget his name most of the time.
Johnny, I'm gonna leave that hanging.
When the Anofamba NekaHonda fit on his Japanese, really? That's what I had. Now you have sure one was drop kanega ipsam ngane. Sanded look. Do like na Japre, I find I think somebody for Japre, but music yake ndo man ma celebrity eduka.
Yeah.
Kuna American do Anofamba ni Lamborghini ni match the other guy.
That's the thing.
So not Winka shika arim Japanese, Zimbabwean. Not gonna Winka chiko arim brand new G. Gonna X5 gonna brand new chichi jagana day kakachirazotayo no he's I know the music but that my show mwana po 3000 or 4000 marecha imbo faka kwana uta apinde mu dealership antenga mota.
Hello Makadini Salbonani, welcome back again on your favorite YouTube channel, Deep View Zimbabwe. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, like and share so that when we post another content, another new videos, you will be informed. So in this video, it is a video of Sir Wicknel Chivhayo speaking on DJ show address nyaya ya Winky D kuti sei vasati vapa Winky D mota vataura kuti he is associated with opposition and vari kuti havana contact yake dai vaine namba dzake vangadai vakamubata ende vari kuti zvekare vanotya kunyadziswa kuti vakamupa mota anogona kuramba, so vari kuti havasi kuda kuriska aura yavo. Vavaenderera mberi vakati Winky D ndingadai ndakatomupa mota because ndakanzwa kuti anofamba neHonda fit. So I don't know. I think hangu kunenge kwanga kwakuwanza like, but tell me what you think. Winky D Winky D vanoitambira here mota vakapiwa naSeWicknel kana kuti vanokwanisa kuiramba sezvo kutaura naSeWicknel. So comment in the comment section. Let's listen to the men talking.
Why msat mapa Winky D? Doing my business. Why msat mapa Winky D? It keeps popping up. Why msat mapa Winky D?
One, and now contact here Winky D. I've never communicated with him, and the last time I did say something, he's loyal to the opposition, and he seems to be very close to what's the opposition guy's name? The
Chamisa?
Yeah, Chamisa. Yes, Chamisa. I forget his name most of the time.
Johnny, I'm gonna leave that hanging.
So I try to say, look, this is not about politics. It's about acknowledging you, your followers, and also trying to upgrade you. Anofamba NekaHonda fit on his Japanese. Really? That's what I had. Now you have sure one was drop kanega ipsam ngane. Sanded look. I've said it, hinting. I can only say so much, and I don't want the embarrassment of writing 6 paragraphs saying, "Oh, Becky, go and collect your jelly." Then Becky wakes up. Then Becky wakes up tomorrow and says, No. I don't want just like the Zayoja.
Oh, yeah.
Because I went to Zayoja some years back and I met Baba Guti. Baba Guti and did Wicknel. Problem. You're not putting money in the house of the Lord. Whatever you get, put in the house of the Lord. I'll fork a broker. Then wakandina matira. Nditi chenda kubindura. Kune university yatiri kuwaka inonzi Zego.
Oh yeah.
Saka we need donations, we need bill. Saka chenda baratopo secretary general na wamwe 4 or 5 people enda ikoko unaona donate money to the church. Ukaisa mari ku church your life will never be the same again. So you must donate money to the church. So back then I was not as
heavy
as I was now.
Yeah.
And I interacted with him so well. He was a wonderful man. I told him a picture. So after his demise, I see your widow and
Let me do something.
let me try and do something. Even the president said the same thing to Koshiri Kanzi. Yeah. Why you doing that? No, that's not very trending, but I'll see how I can, help. Let me give them 250,000 Tengeroji Land Cruiser. So that was so good. She's a wonderful lady, and at the end of I've never met her, but I've met them on the plane Emirates.
And I'm just coming from there,
What did you say about him?
Listen.
What did you say about this?
No, he's not being arrogant. He's
What did you
just,
say?
listen, he's
No,
still being very
I think
humble. To the depths.
So it was actually, and I reached out to one of the drivers. Can you check? Because I always try and, I don't like the clump and the embarrassment, to shine on you. So I asked the driver, do you remember? 2 or 3 times, Quarter Falls. She just goes, yes, I remember you. Kamari kekucheck kamara ka ndekenyu ndinochiziswa imwe futi chi kuchechi so maybe vakakupay 250 yenyu imwe moiswa kuchechi saka just try find a way ask her saka naye ndiye akaninyebera nofunga driver akati no mama vati vachivhayo anytime ngavaite sei ngavauye
I'll set up.
ndobva ndati draftoka my long status chipresa ochi zayoja baba guti machichi then better politics. We're waiting for consultation. The new leader of the church is out of the country. But it didn't make much sense to me because $10 muna nemara yada kupa half a million mama ai mara tisikuida because mwarati maisi mari moro kutara naende upiyo ari kugudza zvinhu zvakadaro. So but
yeah.
So that's the embarrassment I try and avoid. But I'm trying to answer Nyaya Winky D. Okay. But if Winky D came out and said, I'm Koma.
Bango, how far?
You would?
Mangwana chai. Kampana karibo.
Yeah.
Panda.
Plus, ane support yake vanhu vake. Do like na Japre, I find somebody for Japre, but music yake ndo man ma celebrity eduka.
Yeah.
Unana America ndo vanofamba ne Lamborghini ne match the other guy.
That's the thing.
So it's not Winka shika ari Japanese, Zimbabwean. Not gonna Winka chikosho ari brand new chi. Gonna X5 gonna brand new chichi yakadai kachiradzotaiwa no I know the music but dare mashuba mwanopuwa 3,000 or 4,000 mari chaimbofa yakakwana kuti apinde mudealership anotenga mota. So status ngokwidzawo status saka but if he came out and said say nandangu anda problem naye and was zvuti anosupport anenge nachi anga support wanoda. So watiri kuzwa nemwe mutsvene ari kunzi acharamba achitonga isitiri kumziya nemwe mutsvene
Banda and Winky D, you heard it on the Danny J show. It's on you.
So I even wanted to say no. If I had his number, say, kumbira permission and I'm not checking this out. No.
Let me get something.
Politics every day.
Yeah.
I think you saw me buying opposition people. Debate it's not so much about politics. Yes,
yeah. I think there's some restoration of dignity of life that just needs to happen, especially with the arts. I don't know, but arts.
And even kushow kunonzwi kumchato wa Japresh. I said Mkanya must come. It's because of the stories that we heard. No, Mkanya is struggling. Zvaga sudai Mkanya varutambudzika. But Mkanya music yavo maridzira ndoita.
Yeah.
Mkanya, how can Mkanya be struggling? They ever give him $1 million retirement. Akazotadza kuti wamusoro nayo zvazvake. But in energy, my heart, the way I love his music, the way I feel like, Mkanya, if you come to my house in Cape Town, my house in Sandhurst in Joburg, ask Nash, he's been there. Studio, cinema, Nash. My picture, Mkanya.